feel stressful anymore.
And what if introducing yourself felt natural? Not memorized, not robotic, but confident and real.
Because let's be honest, meeting new people can already be awkward.
And doing it in another language can make your heart race even faster.
That's why today's episode is all about something small.
But extremely powerful.
We're talking about how to introduce yourself in English. The simple, everyday way real people do it.
No long speeches,
No difficult grammar.
just clear, friendly English you can actually use.
Welcome back to English Cast Duo, the podcast where English isn't memorized.
It's used,
I'm Alex,
and I'm Mia.
and if you're listening right now, you're already doing something great for your English.
Alex, before we start, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, pretty good. I slept really well last night, and I had a warm cup of tea this morning.
That already sounds like a good start to the day.
It really was. I feel relaxed, focused, and ready to talk.
Same here. I've got my coffee, the sun is coming through the window, and it feels like a perfect moment to practice English.
And today's topic fits perfectly with that calm energy.
Because introducing yourself doesn't have to feel scary.
But for many learners, it does.
Let's be real for a second. When you meet someone new and need to speak English,
Your mind goes blank,
your heart beats faster,
and suddenly you forget even simple sentences.
that nervous feeling, totally normal.
Everyone feels it, even confident speakers.
But here's the good news.
Introducing yourself is like having a key.
A key that opens doors,
Doors to conversations,
new friendships,
new jobs,
new opportunities.
and once you know the pattern, it becomes much easier.
Before we give you that key, can we ask for a small favor?
If you're enjoying these conversations, please take 1 second to like this episode.
And subscribe to English Cast Duo if you want to practice English with us regularly.
When you subscribe, you're not just supporting the channel,
You're joining a community of learners who actually use English.
All right, let's begin.
The first part of introducing yourself happens before you even speak.
Your body language,
A relaxed posture,
a small smile.
open shoulders.
These things matter more than you think.
You don't need to look perfect.
You just need to look approachable.
Now imagine this.
You walk up to someone and
You smile,
you say hello.
but then comes the big question.
What do I say next?
The answer is simple. Your name.
One of the most natural ways is,
I'm Mia.
I'm Alex.
Short, friendly, natural.
You can also say,
My name is Mia.
this sounds slightly more formal.
It's perfect for work, meetings, or professional situations.
For example,
Hello, my name is Alex.
very polite, very clear.
Now here's something important,
Many people have long names,
and shorter names too.
nicknames.
For example, Thomas and Tom.
You can say,
My name is Thomas, but please call me Tom.
that one sentence immediately makes the conversation feel relaxed.
And friendly.
After names, people usually ask,
Where are you from?
the simplest answer is,
I'm from Brazil.
but you can also add more detail.
I'm from Brazil, from a city called Sao Paulo.
Now the conversation has more depth.
And if you live somewhere else now,
You can say,
I'm from Brazil, but I live in London now.
that one sentence tells a small story.
And stories invite questions.
Notice something important here.
You're not giving long answers.
You're giving useful answers,
Clear,
simple,
human.
and that brings us to the next part.
Talking about what you do, without sounding boring.
All right, let's keep going.
So far, we've covered how to start, your name, and where you're from.
Now comes the part many learners overthink.
talking about what you do.
When someone asks, "What do you do?"
You don't need a long explanation.
Simple is best.
For example,
I'm a teacher.
I'm a student.
I work in marketing.
I'm studying English.
Short sentences like these are perfect
They sound natural.
and confident
This is important.
because many learners worry about this.
Not having a job doesn't mean you have nothing to say.
You can talk about what you're doing now.
For example,
I'm looking for a job in marketing.
I'm taking care of my family right now.
I'm learning new skills.
These are all completely normal answers.
And they sound honest.
Here's a powerful tip.
After your job or studies,
Add one thing you enjoy,
a hobby,
something you love.
this is where your introduction becomes memorable.
Instead of saying,
I'm Alex. I'm a teacher.
you can say,
I'm Alex. I'm a teacher, and I love cycling.
or I'm Mia. I work as a podcast host, and I really love coffee. That small addition changes everything.
It makes you sound human.
And interesting.
People connect through hobbies, not job titles.
When you mention something you enjoy,
The other person can respond
oh, I like that too.
or ask a question,
And now you have a real conversation.
not just an introduction.
This part is extremely important.
After you talk about yourself,
You must invite the other person to speak.
a conversation is like tennis.
You hit the ball.
Then you pass it back.
You can say,
And you?
how about you?
What about you?
These short questions keep the conversation alive.
Let's talk about timing.
Because English greetings change with the time of day.
In the morning,
Good morning.
in the afternoon,
Good afternoon.
in the evening.
Good evening. Using these makes you sound polite and confident.
Quick tip.
Good night is usually not a greeting,
It's goodbye.
or something you say before sleeping.
So if you arrive somewhere at night,
Say good evening.
and when you leave,
Say good night.
let's practice.
Imagine we're meeting for the first time at a coffee shop.
I'll start.
Okay?
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thanks. I'm Alex, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Mia. Are you from around here?
Not really. I'm from Brazil, but I live here now. How about you?
I live nearby. I come here almost every day for coffee.
That's nice. What do you do?
I'm a podcast host and I love talking to people. And you?
I'm a teacher, and in my free time, I enjoy cycling.
That was perfect.
Did you notice something?
Nothing was complicated.
But everything felt natural,
That's because you had a structure.
and structure reduces fear.
Now, a very important point.
You don't have to be loud or outgoing.
If you're quiet, that's okay.
You can introduce yourself one person at a time.
A soft smile,
A simple hello.
that's enough.
This happens.
And it's okay.
You can say,
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
or
What does that mean?
people are usually kind.
They respect effort.
Let's review.
Smile and say hello.
Say your name.
Share where you're from.
Talk about what you do.
Add one thing you enjoy.
Ask a question back.
Introducing yourself is not about being perfect.
It's about being friendly.
And brave.
If you try, you're already winning.
And we're proud of you.
Before you go,
Practice your introduction today.
even in front of a mirror.
Or in the comments.
Tell us your name, where you're from, and one thing you love.
We love reading them.
See you in the next episode.
And remember, keep speaking.